Yo, we're watching our video today. I don't know. But I was trying to record a video earlier, but I figured I was losing too much in that one, so I'm gonna try recording a better one. Hopefully, if I get one, the video will be better. Okay. 14-star Pan. Let's see how tanky you are, Pan. But either way, let's see how you play. Oh, that's Team Rainbow. Yeah, Blue Boys. I don't know if you're gonna love this. Either way, if they do manage to at least do something, I'm gonna be amazed. Because the Blue Boys need a platinum equip. I heard Dugo in one of his videos mention before that they need a platinum equip since they really still need it. And I kind of agree that they need a platinum equip. Literally, these guys were the first tag unit. The first ever tag unit to drop. They shouldn't be this bad. Oh my god, bro. I think that's a move. I did. What the? I barely have any reaction times like that. Yeah, I got blast cover character now. Oh my god, bro. Bro, I barely got any. Oh my god, bro. Bro, you're so laggy. Pan, if you got a fire, I wouldn't blame you. Nobody loves you, Pan. Nobody loves you. Bruh, I wasn't trying to tackle game! Oh my god, game, I wasn't trying to tackle. God. Have the worst day possible, enemy. Can you little shit die in a fire already? This dude is laggy. Why is this dude so laggy? Oh, this player is so annoying, bruh. If I can just kill his beast. If I can kill his beast Gohan, I'm happy. Bruh. God, Pan, do me a favor. Get the hell out of the battle. Pan, get the hell out of this battle, you little bitch. I hate everything well, Pan. I hate your existence, I hate everything. I don't care about a rush here. Oh my god, dang, you gave me all blast. Bruh, dang, you gave me all blast. Bruh. Thank you, game. If you I forgot about this dumb kid. I want to bash that kid stolen the game. Oh my god. Oh hell no, eat trash. Eat trash in me. I hate people that go for LFs. Do any of you guys feel how I feel when people try to go for the LF like bitches? Bruh, you do not need to go for the legendary finish. It drags on the match too long. Enemy, are you dumb? Are you stupid? Going for a legendary finish drags on the match. I do not have to respect dog shit who has to go for LF just to bring the match to make it last longer. I already want to get done with the match. I'm trying to have fun and rank up here. If you guys know the feeling when some dumbass tries to go for LF just for no damn reason. Any of you guys know that feeling? I sure do. Literally, I hate when people just try to get legendary finish me for no damn reason. I absolutely hate that feeling of when somebody tries to go for an LF. Yeah, I hate that feeling. It's such a pain to fight them when they go for a damn LF. Hurry up, I got a video to make. Please. I don't give a damn for your opponent, but I'm just trying to make some nice content for my viewers. At least I'm trying. Anyways, live life for the suffering I'm going through in the game. Shit. Bruh. I'm stupid. Bro, I couldn't even tell what's going on. What the hell, lag spike? Game, what the hell? Where's the lag spike? Where's the lag spike coming from? Oh my god, game, where is the lag spike coming from? Where did that come from, the lag spike? Oh my god, this video isn't trying to turn as the last one. I continue the rest already. Yeah, that's the video. Bye.